Celtel Middle East is one of the most reputed names in mobile phone industry in the local and global market. We have evolved more of a brand than just a name in a couple of decades. We are wholesale dealers in most of the major brands, and we do only brand new phones. And having our own warehousing unit here in Dubai Airport Free Zone gives us an advantage over our customers as we can cater them with the logistics support, mainly air exports. So having said that, from buying to segregating to packing, dispatch and transport, it's all under one roof.
The year 2020 started with coronavirus, and as slowly we reached to the lockdown terms, and the business became very slow, and was logistic wise it was very tough to manage the shipments in and out. And what else we can say, and slowly we faced a difficult time during that lockdown period.
So eventually things took turn, and it was the things started coming back to normal, but at a certain pace.
The year 2020 started with the coronavirus, and it was just slowly approaching to the lockdown time. And when the lockdown implemented, it was very tough for us to source goods, and logistic wise it was very difficult for us to manage. And as slowly this phase passed out, the difficult phase passed out, we managed to bring it to the normal position where everything was fine.
Eventually the airspace, it came back to normal after a few months, and then this transition phase actually put us to test and we realized that if we intend to find a solution, there's always a way, even in uncertain conditions. And this is what we believe over here in Celtel Middle East. About teamwork, our company has always given the employees a free hand to work and a pleasant environment to work into. And a strong team, they will always bring solution to the problems. And a good teamwork will always bring in, fulfillments to our commitments before the deadline.
Well, there are many decisions which our company policy follows, that whenever we make a deal, we don't back out from the deal. That makes us a good brand name, and whatever the things we sell to our customer, we give them full information before selling the product. The best way to expand means reaching out to the new customers and supplier and finding a new market, and keeping the existing customers satisfied and fulfilling them.
It is about constantly looking over for various alternatives for a given problem. Difficulties and pressure is an important component of any business activity. In my opinion, it should not be seen something that takes you down, but it should be rather seen as an opportunity to come over, to face your difficulties basically. So in such times, whenever we have new models into the market, we see as an opportunity to bring them to our customers and deal with it and see it positively.
Actually, we started this journey in 2000 with a small place, and we were a wholesaler at the time. We see a lot of changes. At that time, we didn't have much opportunity as a big platform for buyers to find buyers and sellers. And now we got different opportunity, different things, and as the time changed, we also have changed ourselves, and today we are standing at this point.
No, I don't think so.
Yeah.
Because we are used to this pleasure under pressure, under this environment, and yeah, we're being motivated with the teamwork that we already have. Yes, we do get free time and a day off in a week, and if the situation demands, sometimes the workload is taken off by our teammates and our colleagues. So this is how we manage the time with our colleagues within the company and even outside sometimes.
Yeah, sure. It's a great opportunity to associate with Jet Empire, and we surely see 2021 Athens, inshallah.
We are looking up to it.
Yeah.
#reconnect.